Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Here in northwestern Minnesota, where a freezing cold winter day can actually drop to 50 degrees below zero, Central Boiler knows a lot about heating with wood. Located in Greenbush, Minnesota, a mere 20 miles from the Canadian border, skilled workers design and manufacture safe, reliable, efficient, outdoor wood-burning furnaces. In their 300,000 square foot facility, they're pushing the traditionally accepted notions of heating with wood to new limits by introducing heating systems that are cleaner and more efficient than ever before. Central Boiler has always been the leading name in outdoor wood-burning appliances. For over 35 years, the company's innovations and patents come from people who take a little more time, pay a little more attention, and go a little further to make sure every customer can realize a much more comfortable home, workshop, and even other applications like swimming pools. Throughout its history, Central Boiler has consistently been recognized as a leader in the industry and a dedicated, responsible employer. Twice being the recipient of the prestigious 100 Best Companies to Work For, awarded from Minnesota Business Magazine. Ask one of the many thousands that own a Central Boiler furnace, and they will all tell you their home is much more comfortable and they feel safer after installing a Central Boiler outdoor wood furnace as their home heating source. To see the innovations in wood heating by Central Boiler, visit centralboiler.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.